guys, my dog literally just chewed on my shoes. Like, not this little cutie, not this one, right? My other one. Look. How dare you? How? Why? Let me show you them real quick. Like, ew, what the? There's mud all over this one. This one isn't that bad. He just took it out. I had to walk all the way over there. Look, let me show you. Over there by those chairs. Look, so right there. So, don't leave your shoes where your dogs can get them. You say I'm good enough. I'm not through anything about someone was running me. He made fun of me. His girls would mom me. Like the boys kept singing. I know yeah. I have something to say to the camera 40 for chewing up my shoes. He just cares about that stick. So, I'll see you on the next video.